video, I will show you how to contact with the Reddit support easy and quick to describe your problem if you have a problem on Reddit or just to ask anything. So open Reddit first and just click here in the corner of the screen. Just go next, click on settings. You should scroll this list and until you found here report an issue. Click, and after that you're gonna find this list. Just scroll it little down until you found here submit a request. So just click on it like this. You see here again this list. Right now you have to scroll. If you have one of these problem like community help, purchase help, program help, privacy, just click on it. But if you have another problem, for example me, I have like other problem, click here other report. It's going to take you to this page. Right now what you should do, you have to read this. What do you need assistance with? Click here, and for example you want to report a bag. Here write your email address, and you have to write the other things. For example here you can write your email address is very important. What you would like to report, subject, detail, attachment if you have like a screenshot or file, and then click submit. And that's all. They will reply to you as soon as they read your report. And that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next tutorial.